So many different wig styles. Today's style is a new style to UNiceHair. They combine a lot of y'all favorites into one wig. And we're just gonna test it out and see if it's a versatile wig. Today's wig comes from UNiceHair. So let's unbox it and let's see what's inside. Some of these items can be purchased on their website. Smaller edge bands. This is inspired by me for sure. But look at that, y'all. The smaller edge bands. These probably could be found on their website also. So this is their 13x4. This is what the wig looks like. As you can see, it has a beautiful pre-plucked hairline. The hair is pre-curled. And look at those knots. They do have the scalp material inside. You guys, the scalp material is still popular, as you can see. So they did insert it here in this wig, and then you have the tape on the side. Now this material is to give a natural appearance, like scalp finish, to the inside of the wig. I don't know if this one comes in different colors. And they also added the drawstring, but you get the drawstring combs in the back with built-in adjustable straps, and also an extra strap that you can take in and out. It can be worn glueless, of course. That's why it has so many ways you can attach it. This is their HD lace, and this is a close-up of the knots also. So I'm just gonna pull that forward. I can already tell you it's a little bit darker for me. Down, that lace looks so good underneath there. Because they have so many ways you can attach this wig, you would want to take the strap in the back and grab that drawstring, and you want to pull it until the wig fits. And then they do have the little stopper here, which you can just slide on up so it will not slide back down. On the sides, they did supply the ear tab tape. So all you would do is just remove this paper. You want to make sure that this is pushed back over your ear, and then you can tape it down right here, and that will give you hold. And of course you are still glueless here, but you can see how flat that lace is laying up against the skin. Is blending very, very well. All right, so I don't need to do anything to melt that lace to blend my skin. I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb, and what you want to do is just brush them out. The hair is super soft. Now the 13x4, you get good amount of parting. As you can see, it stops about right there, and you can part it on the side. I do feel like it's very pretty. This is what it looks like when you just wear it down. It comes pre-curled, so you don't have to curl it. Very secure. The lace looks amazing. I really do like how it's blending. It's laying flat. There's no ripples. You don't need any glue with this. And this is a body wave texture, so it curls very well if you want to recurl the style. So they say that with this wig, you are able to pull it up into a high ponytail, just like with the 360 wig, but for a more affordable price. So I'm gonna see if we can do that right now, because I've never tried to pull up the hair with a drawstring wig. So I don't think I'm gonna leave any down. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just push everything back. I'm so curious to see if we can pull this completely up. My sides are a bit longer. I didn't cut them yet. I'll flip. I don't know, y'all. I don't know. I'm kind of nervous, and I'm not going to leave any hair down. I'm actually going to remove this parting right quick and smooth it. As I'm doing this, I can tell you now, this wig does not feel like it's moving or going anywhere. It's very secure right now. You want to make sure, of course, you tuck the comb underneath your wig cap if you're wearing one, or the cap itself. So I can smooth it a little bit. Here we go. We're going to add the hair tie. I'm actually gonna make this into like a top messy bun. This is what it looked like with the top bun. This is what the back looked like. Oh, let me put some hairs down. I'm gonna let you guys tell me what you think. Do this compare to the 360 style? Let me know. So if you want us to pull it up, you definitely can. Let's do a half up, half down. I'm gonna add some edges here because I think it'll look good. And yes, I am still glueless, so I'm just gonna use some hairspray. I'm just gonna smooth this down with the edge brush. And remember, this brush can be found on their website. If it doesn't come with your wig, it's probably there on the website. A lot of companies have specials sometimes where you get free gifts with your wigs, and then other times this promotion is ended. So I don't know when you guys are gonna be watching this. And then I'm going to pull this up. I'm gonna use a claw clip this time. Bobby pin right here. I like the way that curved over. You guys, you can get at least 2 styles out of this and several different parting styles. You can do that style too, okay. Or you can take it down and you can do that side part if you don't want the middle part. And there you have a side part. So I do love that you can style this wig in several different ways. Of course, you can take it, you can be more creative with it, however you want to do it. But yeah, I will be sure to put this wig below in the description box. Something went wrong with my lighting just now. And I will see you all back in my next video. Thank you so much for joining me back. Again, this wig is from UNiceHair. It will be linked below.